Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the top 5 best ice cream scoops for your kitchen that are currently available on the market. Whether you're scooping hard-packed ice cream, gelato, or even cookie dough, we'll help you find the perfect tool for the job. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have the Fayamir Cookie Scoop Set. This versatile set includes 3 different sized scoops: small, medium, and large, making it perfect for a variety of uses, from crafting uniform cookies to portioning ice cream, melon balls, and even cupcake batter. The set is constructed from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance, while the ergonomic cog and ratchet trigger system makes releasing the contents a breeze. The design is practical yet elegant, with a polished silver finish that resists staining and corrosion. Each scoop feels sturdy in your hand and glides smoothly, whether you're working with soft batters or firmer frozen treats. The set is also dishwasher safe, saving you time on cleanup. However, at a slightly heavier weight of 15.2 ounces for the set, some users might find it a bit cumbersome for extended use. Overall, this set is ideal for home bakers or those looking for an all-in-one solution. While it's not the most compact option, the versatility and high-quality build make it a strong contender. The only drawback is that the price is not readily available, so you'll need to check the product link for the latest pricing. Pros: 3 sizes for multiple uses, robust build quality. Cons: slightly heavy, and no price transparency. Coming in at number 4 is the Sorbet Cookie Scoop Set. This set features 3 sizes, perfect for everything from small cookies to large ice cream servings. The scoop heads are made from premium 18/8 stainless steel, ensuring longevity and a stain-resistant finish. The ergonomic handle design includes a cog and ratchet trigger system, which makes releasing scooped items smooth and effortless. In terms of performance, the Sorbet scoops shine when it comes to versatility. Whether you're portioning cookie dough, cupcake batter, or mashed potatoes, the scoops maintain consistent results. One unique feature is the color-coded handles: black for small, red for medium, and green for large, making it easy to grab the appropriate size at a glance. The set is dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleanup. However, at 11.4 ounces total weight, it's lighter than the Fayamir set, but still might feel bulky for some users. Overall, the Sorbet set is a fantastic choice for anyone who needs a multi-purpose tool in their kitchen. It's great for larger households or those who bake regularly. The only downside is the lack of clarity on pricing, but the durable construction and user-friendly design make it a solid investment. Pros: color-coded handles, excellent for multiple uses. Cons: no price listed, slightly bulky for smaller hands. At number 3, we have the KitchenAid Classic Ice Cream Scoop, an affordable and reliable option for everyday use. This scoop features a sharp cast zinc head that makes tackling hard ice cream remarkably easy. Its ergonomic ABS handle is comfortable to grip and includes a debossed KitchenAid logo, giving it a professional look. At 8.6 inches long, it's a practical size for most users. Performance-wise, the KitchenAid scoop is a no-frills option that gets the job done. It's particularly effective for hard-packed ice cream, thanks to its sharp head design. The handle is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to use for multiple servings. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which simplifies maintenance. However, the design lacks a trigger mechanism, which means you'll need to manually dislodge the ice cream with a bit of wrist action. This scoop is an excellent budget-friendly choice for casual users who want a reliable, easy-to-clean tool without spending too much. At just $10.99, it's the most affordable option on our list. Pros: budget-friendly, sharp and durable scoop head. Cons: lacks a trigger mechanism, limited versatility. Our runner-up is the Metlux 4-ounce stainless steel No. 8 portion scoop. Designed with professional-grade durability, this scoop features a sturdy stainless steel bowl paired with a lightweight gray plastic handle. The built-in blade ensures that sticky foods, like cookie dough or gelato, release effortlessly, reducing waste and making portioning easier. This scoop excels in performance and comfort. The trigger release mechanism is smooth and efficient, allowing you to serve perfectly sized portions with minimal effort. The lightweight handle reduces hand fatigue, making it suitable for prolonged use. At $13.26, it's the most expensive option on our list, but it delivers exceptional value for those who prioritize durability and precision. If you're someone who entertains often or needs precise portions for baking or meal prep, this scoop is a fantastic investment. The only drawbacks are its slightly higher price and the single size limitation. Pros: durable, professional-grade build, excellent for sticky foods. Cons: pricier than other options, comes in only one size. Finally, at the top of our list is the Spring Chef Heavy-Duty Ice Cream Scoop. This scoop is a powerhouse when it comes to design, performance, and versatility. Made from a solid zinc alloy, it boasts a unique hybrid design that combines the best features of a scoop and a spade, allowing you to tackle even the hardest ice cream with ease. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfort and includes a notch to lift container lids, a thoughtful touch. What sets the Spring Chef Scoop apart is its ability to create perfect curls of ice cream. The curved edges and thin tip make it easy to reach every last bit in the container. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning is a breeze. At 8.2 ounces, it feels well balanced in your hand, offering a premium user experience. While the price isn't listed, its outstanding customer reviews and top-notch build quality make it worth investigating. This scoop is ideal for anyone who demands the best, whether you're a home chef or a dessert enthusiast. The combination of durability, versatility, and thoughtful design makes it a clear winner. Pros: innovative design, strong and sturdy build. Cons: price not immediately available, may be overkill for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect ice cream scoop for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about the products we covered, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you right away. Happy scooping!